If you want to instantly find business contact information, including verified emails and phone numbers, this video will show you exactly how to use Seamless AI, step by step as a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know what Seamless AI is, how people use it to generate B2B leads, and also how to start building prospect lists even if you are completely brand new. Now, what is Seamless AI? Seamless AI is a B2B sales intelligence and lead generation platform that helps you find business contact emails, direct phone numbers, and also decision makers inside companies. Real-time verified data. Seamless AI is focused on speed and scale, helping sales teams and solo users quickly build large prospect lists. Think of it as a contact discovery engine for outbound sales. Now, who should use Seamless AI? Seamless AI is ideal for you if you are a sales rep or SDR, and agencies doing B2B outreach, recruiters, or founders selling to businesses. Anyone who needs decision maker contact data fast. If you rely on cold calling or cold email, Seamless AI is built for that workflow. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up for completely free. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed into Seamless AI, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first feature we'll be talking about is their list building and exporting feature. So you're going to tap right where you see Add to List in the top left hand corner. From here, you can give your list a name and you're going to tap on Create List. So you're going to be creating your first list. By doing this, you'll be able to save leads to lists and also organize prospects by campaign or niche and then export data as a CSV if you want. You can then use those lists in cold email tools, CRMs, and also dialers. So Seamless AI is typically the starting point of the outreach process. You can see right there we have now created our first list. After you have created your list, the next feature we'll be looking at is the person search. And this is one of the main features when it comes onto Seamless AI. So you're going to tap on Contacts Search in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on Contact Search, you'll see right here where you'll be able to search by company name, job title, industry, location, or company size. You are given numerous options. Seamless AI then shows name, job title, and email address, and in some instances, once the phone number is also available, it will show it. This is especially powerful for finding decision makers quickly. And if it is a case that you would like to use their company search feature, you can tap on Company Search from the top left-hand corner. From here, you'll be able to find businesses by industry, filter by employee count, and also target specific locations. From each company, you can view employees, pull contact information, and also add leads to lists. This is ideal for both B2B prospecting. And also, as I mentioned earlier, they also provide phone number data, and this is one of the key differences with Seamless.ai. It focuses heavily on direct dials. Depending on availability, you may see direct phone numbers, company phone numbers, or mobile numbers. This makes Seamless AI especially popular for cold calling teams. The other feature we'll be talking about is data enrichment and updates. As with Seamless AI, it pulls data in real time, meaning emails and numbers are refreshed and data accuracy improves over time and less reliance on old database. This helps reduce dead emails, wrong contacts, and also outdated company info. Now, how do people actually use Seamless AI? The first use case I would like to talk about is cold email outreach. All you'll need to do once you have gone onto Seamless AI, from here you could choose to, for example, tap on Contact Search, and from here you can do a quick contact search and you'll be able to find decision makers. You can export your emails, and from there you can go over to the left hand menu option. And as you can see right here, you can start a campaign, so you could tap on campaigns, and from here you could launch your first campaign. So you can tap on launch campaign, tap on create campaign in the top right hand corner. You can give your campaign a name. Then from there you can tap on connect email and you'll be able to connect your email account, and you can schedule when you would like it to send. And from there you'll be able to start sending your cold email. You can also use Seamless AI for cold calling, as you'll be able to pull direct phone numbers in most cases and build a call list and contact leads faster. It can also be used for recruiting, so you'll be able to find hiring managers, reach out directly, and skip job boards. It can also be used for agency prospecting, as you'll be able to build niche specific lists and target companies at scale and feed data into CRM. Seamless AI shines when speed matters. Now, let's look at their pricing. With Seamless AI, while you can get started for completely free, if we were to check out their pricing plan right here, you can see that their most popular plan is the Pro plan, and you will need to contact sales to find the exact price, but you can start off with their free plan right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up.